In this video, we'll show you what to do if the touchpad on your Samsung Galaxy Book is not working all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is press the function key plus F5. So this is the shortcut for enabling or disabling the touchpad. So if you have accidentally disabled the touchpad, this should help you re-enable it. On some laptops, you just need to press the F5 key instead to enable or disable the touchpad. However, if this doesn't work, what you can do is open the settings app on your Samsung laptop. Now here go to touchpad settings. So simply search for touchpad settings and this should open this particular window. Now here make sure touchpad is enabled. Additionally, click this arrow and make sure you have selected this checkbox, which is leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. So make sure to tick this box. However, if the touchpad still won't work, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to terminal admin. Now here you will need to run a command, that is sfc space / scan now. Now type this command and then hit enter. Now simply wait for the scan to complete and then restart your Samsung laptop. However, if the touchpad still won't work, right click on the start icon and this time go to device manager. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand this human interface devices. Now here look for the touchpad entry, right click on it and then choose uninstall device and then click on uninstall again. After that, restart your Samsung Galaxy Book one more time and see if it works. If nothing else works, however, your last option is to go to the settings app. Now go to the Windows Update tab right here and then check for any pending updates. If there are any updates available for your laptop, simply install them. Additionally, you should also go to this advanced options. Here go to optional updates and then look for any touchpad driver entry here. If you see the touchpad update here, simply select it and then install it from here. Once you do this, your touchpad should start working again.